clouds of white, the bright blessed day, the dark sky night, and I sing to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, all on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They really say, I love you. I hear babies cry, I watch them grow. They learn much more than ever know. And I sing to myself, what a wonderful world. Yes, I sing to myself, what a wonderful world.